Today we'll be talking about space planning in this video. So in regards to space planning, there are different types of spaces. And here we have private and public spaces. Under private and public spaces, there are certain rooms that are required in your house. So for private, we would have our master bedrooms, your other bedrooms that are for, your children or guests or whatnot. And then you have your linen closet, your laundry room. And as for public spaces, we have our powder room that only has a sink and a toilet for guests. And you have your kitchen, your living room, your hallway that leads you to all these different areas of the house. And we also have our front entry. So in this example, I just made a image, very simple image of a house that's a rectangular shape. We have our front yard and we have the backyard. So in terms of spaces, normally private spaces are located on the second floor. That is if your house has 2 levels. And in terms of bungalows, which is just one solid floor plan and no other levels, normally all your private spaces would be located at the back, and all your public spaces would be located normally at the front. So in this case, we're just going to envision that this is a 2-story building for a house, and we will look into placing these public spaces on the ground floor. So normally you would want to enter into the house, and usually the powder room is located right at the front, or it's located right in the middle. And in between, you may have possible areas such as like your living room, and then at the back you would have your kitchen, you would have your dining room, and you could also have your living room located at the back as well. So depending on your preference or how your building is oriented, these spaces would be rearranged. But this is the general idea of space planning and how these spaces should be laid out on the ground floor. And that is it. We will continue on in detail in our class discussions. So I'll see you later.